The whole idea that a public health official could quarantine someone, isolate them, move them to a detention center, essentially, with no due process and with no evidence that this person is a public health threat.
State Senator George Borrello and other lawmakers are calling for an end to the expanded authority, citing the lack of separation of powers in state government. Borrello claims Hochul drew ideas from an assembly bill which had been proposed pre-pandemic to make a permanent alteration to state health laws.
The people of New York State wants to do, then bring it forward as a bill. Have it debated and discussed. Pass it. You be the one to tell the people that you report to, the people that elect you, that you voted to have someone quarantined without due process.
Fellow lawsuit plaintiff Assemblyman Mike Lawler says restoring legislative authority is the ultimate goal of the legal action.
We are fighting back against one-party rule. We are fighting back against an executive that has absolutely overreached.
Assemblyman Chris Tague, a co-petitioner, suggested that this regulation embodies the worst fears citizens have about the government.
The role of the legislature is to engage in spirited debates and deeply scrutinize proposals that have the ability to directly affect the lives of our residents, like this one does. But since this policy has been treated as a regulatory matter, we have not been afforded the opportunity.
Assemblywoman Jody Giglio delivered a petition to the Health Council to demand a public hearing, with over 10,000 signatures supporting it. This representation, Bobby Ann Flower Cox, the attorney representing the petitioners, explained, has been lacking in the formation of this regulation.
We have 3 branches of government, and the people suffer when one of those branches oversteps its bounds and crosses over into lawmaking where they don't belong. The people of New York can't have their voices heard if an agency is passing a law. That's why we have representation in the legislature.
Julia Gress, WNY News Now.